Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am talking about Idex stock. In this video we talk about stock pros and cons and technical analysis and latest news about it. The stock is trading at 0.091 US dollar with 0.77% negative in a day. We can easily see that the stock was volatile for a day. The volume of stock was not all-time high, so the fundamental Idex stock is not much pretty better than other penny stock. Before buying and selling the stock, please consult your financial advisor. Today's video is done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video and also comment all related queries.